Sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
My name is Bridget Regan. I am from San Diego. I'm playing Kahlan in Legend of the Seeker, and she is a confessor, amongst other things.
American actress Bridget Regan hi kumsang khajakwa sumriat pani February ni thuma Carlsbad, California, USA alo bianga a film jan alarna ber chu Kahlan anga Legend of the Seeker aron lante Sasha Cooper anga Dallas Shipa achan tekha ania apa hi Jim Regan ania anu hi Mary Catherine Regan ania anchungkwa hi Catholican nibok acting hi no pangte ani atangin atui ema midang ang lautakin acting lamakal turin commercials le show te ati masalawa stage acting atan ngal topa theater show no pangte ani atangin alo perform to a kumruk ani atangin alo performa achan na masaber chu The Wizard of Oz tile Joseph and the Amazing Technicolor Dreamcoat te ania heng hi stage show ania hetia an changtran hi a phurzual leya acting in concentrate top hi atuma thildam tuina ani lawa lo chambo atum lo le ani High school hi San Diego Academy High School, California azawa anua ankhwa chwasanin North Carolina School of Arts College Chavakala lekha azirlai po hian azirlai a in focus thalea midang party lai po na telve mai ngai lawa he college atang hian fine arts bachelor degree azawani a graduate nu hian a acting career tanti in New York a in sona ama han in son top chu la om ve veu mai the ma se a dream ti puitlin atum nget ema a bek te chu apekta a thuthluk na hi a fu le ti po kar she thawani
experience on the ground working with SEALs, doing their reconnaissance, and she's fluent in I think it's 8 languages.
Kumsang ni paruka khan short film Blinders tia chuan alo changa anua The Wedding Album te Love Monkey tia te changle a kumsang ni paruka tanga kumsang ni pasari in kara hian Law and Order Criminal Intent tia episode ni vela alo lang le boka kumsang ni pasaria hian 6 degrees tile American Experience tia te chuan guest angin alo lang boka kumsang ni paria talo ni a guest role thaw drama series New Amsterdam a changle a anua feature film Sex and the City a alo lang le a role yan thamlutuk ala nei lawa hemi kumthau hian kumsang ni paria ta hian Legend of the Seeker chuan lead role a changta a mother confessor Kahlan angin a changa he hi aron lar na masaberani ta a role ani lea he series a hian kumsang ni som thleng khan a changani hemi nu hian film sang a changle enwala alars walte chu height person of interest perception Beauty and the Beast Sons of Anarchy White Collar Jade the Virgin The Good Wife Agent Carter te ania a skill a changin a chang chalom ema alar pui hlom hle a hlo tling ta le ani
You knew me better than anyone before or
kumsang ni som paruka tanga kumsang ni som pariata khan main role The Last Ship the American action drama TV series a chuan alo changa season 2 ma changa season nga a changa hewang hian arun lar le ani
my ship you take orders from me understood
aye
Miller and his team through the adventures and mysteries that's going on in the Asian field.
I'm working with the
achan na thar hi kumsang ni som pakua a MacGyver the American action adventure TV series ania
There's a pressure plate security system protecting the hall that leads to the R&D labs. That is with a retinal scan. And the computer that's controlling it is air-gapped, so no hacking it remotely. Not quite.
Fit nga le inches kwa asang ani a pasala nei to a kumsang ni som August ni som panga khan Iamon O'Sullivan writer ne nan in neya a pasal hi New Zealand a Legend of the Seeker an chanlaya aton ani a ani dei chungcha le ani nei ti thleng hian Bridget Regan hian asoin apuang zar vak lawani fa pani an nei to a kumsang ni som December a khan fanu Frankie Jean an neya kumsang ni som pariat February ni som ni pariata khan fapa Bernard Moon an nei le ani social media chuan Instagram le Twitter a active a Legend of the Seeker changve thau tapret bethel nen khan an in kom nge le ani apian pui sam hi asena akir bokani